Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Educational Leadership Week 5th assignment 5th. So the first question is Death is the type of diversity in the context of education which refer to the numerical and proportional representation of students from diverse group in the student population. So these are the options: structural diversity, numerical diversity, proportionate diversity, interactional diversity, constructional diversity. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, two type of diversity. The structural diversity refer to the numerical and proportional representation of students from different ethnic or racial groups in the student population. So the answer of our first question is A, structural diversity. Now the second question is each type of diversity is dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, each type of diversity is complementary to and enhanced by the presence of the others. So the answer of our second question is A, complementary to each other. Now the third question is dash refers to an understanding that certain common values exist across diverse ethnic groups and group conflict often can be constructive if used appropriately. So these are the option: civic engagement, compatibility of differences, cultural engagement, learning outcomes, differentiate engagement. So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, compatibility of difference refer to an understanding by student that certain common values exist across diverse ethnic groups and group conflict often can be constructive and beneficial if used appropriately. So the answer of our third question is B, compatibility of differences. Now the fourth question is major transformation is knowledge sector due to globalization and IT revolution include dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, due to IT revolution and globalization we are also witnessing major transformation in knowledge sector like virtual universities, online courses, e-learning packages, etc. So the answer of our fourth question is E, all of the above. Now, the fifth question is in India, the Ministry of Human Resource Development has taken some initiatives like implementing NAB, where NAB stands for. So, these are the option. And now, let's check the answer of our fifth question. So, question fifth, in India, the Ministry of Human Resource Development has taken some initiative like implementing NAB, National Accreditation Board. So, the answer of our fifth question is E. Now the sixth question is due to escalating fees in developed nation, the students from these countries are choosing to study and take their degree from dash. So these are the option: reputed institutes of developing Asian countries, online courses, both A and B, none of the above. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, due to escalating fees in developed nations, the student from these countries are choosing to study and take their degree from reputed institutes of developing Asian countries or through online courses. So the answer of our sixth question is C, both A and B. Now the seventh question is which of the following has been observed to be true for new generation learners. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question, let's check. So question 7, expect a pass for anything they submit irrespective of its quality, not as self-reliant as the previous generation. Use the peer group reference for making any academic decision like where to enroll and which subject to take, etc. So the answer of our seventh question is E, A, B and C. Now the eighth question is the higher education sector of which countries is larger than that of India. So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eighth, third largest in the world in term of student numbers after China and USA. So the answer of our eighth question is A, China and the USA. Now the ninth question is Taiwan, being the major designer of IT hardware, is also considering the making of dash by merging some of its top technological universities. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, Taiwan being the major designer of IT hardware is also considering for Asian MIT by merging some of its top technological universities. So the answer of our ninth question is A, Asian MIT. Now the 10th question is the three major areas to be considered in the pedagogical approach of enhancing student understanding of international context, competition, and the meaning of globalization include the following X. accept. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, three major areas: linguistic, curriculum, leadership. So the answer of our 10th question is B, money. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.